Hello everyone. Today I and my group will explain how to prevent COVID-19. My name is Andal.
Hello, my name is Kadek Ariesta Mahayasa.
Hello guys, my name is Gusti DEDYPRAJA Kusuma. You can call me Dedy.
Hello guys, my name is Prayudi. You can call me Haris.
Okay, let's start. But before that, do you know what COVID-19 is? COVID-19 is an infection disease caused by a type of coronavirus. The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, coughing, and sore throat. COVID-19 can spread from person to person through small droplets when coughing and then falling to nearby objects and surface. And how to prevent COVID-19? Here we have 4 simple steps to prevent it, including
Step number 1. Wash your hand with clean water and soap or an alcohol based antiseptic liquid after touching something.
Step number 2. Do social distancing or physical distancing and do sport activities at home to maintain a healthy body. A healthy body will not be easily affected by COVID-19.
Step number 3. Use mask when leaving the house and avoid touching the eyes, nose, and mouth. Continue that and can carry the virus to eyes, nose, or mouth, which can be entry point for this virus to your body, so you become sick.
and step number 4. Stay at home if there are not important activities outside the home, and stay updated with the information about COVID-19. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully useful for all of us. We apologize if there is a wrong pronunciation. Stay healthy and see you later.